kids! Let's learn about different vegetables and their names. Tomato for kids. Learn about vegetables. Broccoli for kids. Learn about vegetables. Happy. Capsicum for kids. Learn about vegetables. Carrot for kids. Learn about vegetables. Cucumber for kids. Learn about vegetables. Green beans for kids. Learn about vegetables. Peas for kids. Learn about vegetables. Oh. Spinach for kids. Learn about vegetables. Sweet potato for kids. Learn about vegetables. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos.